everybody, Welton Hunt over here. We all know that your website gotta be mobile friendly, has a lot of relevant content, high user experience, and use it as a conversion tool. But there's a interesting concept where Google is going. Google is not trying to bypass your website, but Google wants to make Google the homepage for local businesses. And that is actually very true already, is Google wants to become a one-stop shop for local businesses. What does this mean? If let's say if you're in the market looking for a funeral home, then you might go on Google, type in Miami funeral homes. From here, for example, Ferdinand, once you click on this, it's giving the families enough information on here and then just to call them, right? That's why Google is adding a lot more features on here that in addition to your website, you can add products and services, hours, appointments, right? All these are relatively new features, Q&A, right? Reviews, descriptions, right? Updates, Google Posts. So everything is on here now. There's almost no reason for somebody to go on your website. Even if somebody just Google your brand name, on the knowledge panel on the right hand side, Google really is trying to give families as much information as possible from here. They either go on your website or just call you, right? So especially on mobile devices, the call button's there on mobile device instead of a website directions. It's mainly the main call to action on a mobile search will be just call. So this is a very interesting concept, is Google is trying to, right, not replace your website. You still got to make sure your website's high converting, but you got to make sure your Google My Business page itself is 100% complete.